Karnataka Common Entrance Test, the gateway to becoming eligible for seeking admission into professional courses in the state, will be held from June 16th to June 18th as scheduled. The entrance test is conducted for admission into courses like engineering, agriculture, veterinary, pharmacy, and others. According to Karnataka Higher Education Minister C.N. Ashwath Narayan, video coverage of the examination centres will be carried out this year. A total of 2,16,525 candidates have registered for CET 2022. The examination will be conducted in 486 examination centres across the state, out of which 87 centres are located in Bengaluru and 399 centres are in the rest of the part of the state.